Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Is this car not exciting or what? It's slick. It's got the stance, the look. It's a performance 350, 4-speed, nice custom interior. Just a great car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, see the photos top to bottom. You get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale. But first, why don't you join me? We'll take this Camaro for a spin. Yeah, really, they all look good on the TV screen, but something about this car, it's just wet and shiny and slick, and it sits nice, and no vinyl top. It's got spoilers, the cowl hood, big 18-inch chrome wheels, nice-looking sports seats. It's just a nice bundle, just a nice car ready to hit the cruise nights and hit the streets and have some fun. Those are 18-inch chrome-plated torque thrust wheels, wider in the back. New performance tires on there, and the paint is really slick. It's smooth to the touch, just super glossy, smooth, shiny. The body's really straight. All the panels fit real nice. Even down along the bottoms of the car, it's all perfectly smooth all along here. There's not a bubble, not an issue at all. Almost all of the chrome is redone. In back, it has the SS gas cap, new taillights, new bumper, the wheel well moldings, the trim around the windows and the gutters, bow tie mirrors are new, door handles are new, emblems. The only thing not new are these vent window pillars right here. There's a little bit of pitting on this one, and the rubber's a little old. So right here is like the only thing they did not replace on the outside of the car. Cowl hood, it's metal. Stripes painted on, bumpers new, got a spoiler down below there. Nice little performance 350 in here, aluminum intake, dual feed, Holley carb that's chrome plated, HEI ignition, headers, new alternator, new cadmium plated brake booster, new master, new brake lines. Nice stainless steel upper radiator hose, new shroud, new fan, new fuel pump. So motor compartment's really nice looking. Has this filler panel up front, some chrome support bars. I love those seats. Those are TMI sport seats with the supports on them that hold you in place. They do recline. All new. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles. The trim back here, the speaker tray, the headliner and the sail panels are new, and they fit tight as a drum. You open this up, it's like, hey, it's pretty nice looking. All painted orange, new rubber mat, new tire cover. They both match. Has a chrome rally wheel for a spare. So a nice trunk compartment. New deluxe wheel, new carpet, embroidered floor mats, nice set of digital analog gauges, fit right in the factory opening. The heater control panel's new. It's got a modern stereo. Custom console goes all the way to the back seat, has cup holders, a compartment, really nice looking console in there. Drilled and slotted disc brakes in front. The whole front end is new. Got some really fat QA1 tubular control arms and QA1 gas adjustable coilover shocks, bigger sway bar. When you're under the car looking up at the motor, it's spotless. The Muncie 4-speed is spotless. The exhaust system looks new. Has a new fuel system. The gas tank is actually shiny. It's polished. New sending unit and lines and all that good stuff. Underneath the car is completely solid. It's been cleaned up and painted. It looks really good under the car. Door jambs are painted up real nice. Weatherstrips, window seals were replaced. New dash pad, new mirror, new visors, new glove box liner. The rubber right here, a chunk of it's missing. It must have been rubbing the door the wrong way. Let me fire it up. It's a cold start. We do these videos in the morning. This was parked in here yesterday. I have not tried to start it today. Again, nice looking gauges. I love these sport seats. They feel good, they look good. This isn't anything over the top, and no supercharged 7 horsepower motor. It's just a good looking car with everything you need. Yes, that is power steering, power disc brakes. Sharp looking inside and out, show quality car. So visit volocars.com. There are plenty of ways on there to contact our team. We can help answer any questions about the car or the process, shipping, the financing. $1,000 refundable will hold any car for 5 days while you're considering the purchase. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these amazing cars as we make the videos, as we put them out there. That's how you'll see them first. Thanks to everyone who's been watching. Come back. Got a lot more to come.